This prayer is for those that have been laboring without an evidence. You have been in life working hard, but there is no evidence that you are working hard. Your family has been toiling. All of you are scattered all over the universe, but there is no evidence in your father's compound. When you people come home, it's still that modern old house of your grandfather that you people gather. Oh Lord, show evidence that we are working hard. There are graduates, but yes, there is no development in your father's house. You all are in abroad, no evidence. There is no evidence that you travel to Malaysia. Every power covering evidence, every power that has said there shall be no evidence of your hustling. Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. I'm talking to somebody in Indonesia. You toil all night awake, yet no evidence. There is no evidence. You understand, people, you are in abroad, you only come back home with earring. Especially you in Ghana, only put on earring. On Facebook, fry your head. So follow others and celebrate. Where there is drinks, yet there is no evidence in your father's house. It's a shame. I'm talking to you in India, that there is no evidence that you are really touring and you are left nights and travel to India. Every covenant, every altar that have covered the evidence of your effort, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Hey, look at you. Spend 5 years in university. Spend another year, serve your father's land. Yet up to date, no evidence. You are counting years since you graduated. You are still eating, mama send me money, brother send me credit, sister send me credit. No evidence of spending years in a higher institution. Who is making your life miserable? Who is swallowing your evidence? Who is eating your labor? Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Oh Lord, I say, oh, show evidence. Babale. Look at you in Europe. No evidence. You are in Europe. Since you travel, nothing to show. You are patrolling, no paper. You watch others celebrating papers. Look at you in UK. All you know is to make money and pay your bills. None of you are legally married. You people are busy giving birth outside wedlock. If they ask you, say it's my husband. Husband that did not pay your bride price. No evidence. Your mothers go to other people's location and take gifts. When will people come to your father's house and they take gift home and say there was an event in your father's compound? Yes, share this prayer. I want you to be angry. Rise up. It's a month to thank God. I need an evidence. Some of you, waters have swallowed your evidence. Look at you in Mali. Look at you in Libya. Look at you in Senegal. Look at you in Dubai, selling your body, sleeping with different men. Yet there is no evidence over that. Nothing to show for it. Any power creating an insane to cover your evidence. Any power that says that evidence will not be shown. The more you share, the angels of God are removing it this new month. It's a month to say, oh Lord, I need an evidence. Show evidence to my enemies. Do not allow me this year end without an evidence. Every power that says that this year will end without a proof that God is with you and a proof that you worked hard. Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Contact me 070 66 320 118.